Unfortunately, we haven't seen a lot of Ljubljana, but so far we could see something. It was really beautiful and the people are very nice. I think people make places.
Najlepše je igrati doma, igraš na domačem igrišču pred domačo publiko in ko ti malo zmanjka moči, se te nekdo s tribune spomni, da še imaš nekaj rezerve.
Hvala vsem, ki ste prišli in nas spodbujate.
Publika, dajmo!
Atmosphere was very well. The publicum and all the other guys are very nice.
We heard about it last year when we played in Klagenfurt. It was on the same time, and well, we heard it was amazing, and the atmosphere was really cozy. We love it here in Ljubljana. It's a really nice city.
Tako konkurenco, ki pridejo najboljše evropske ekipe in igrati na takem velikem turnirju in to pred domačo publiko je definitivno neverjetno.
We are really happy with the setup of the main court here. Unbelievable crowd, spectators, full stadium in the evenings. So it's in this regard everything is just perfect.
Let's go Ljubljana!
Gledalci se ne znajo niti predstavljati, kako je v tistih težkih igralskih trenutkih, kako to pomaga, ko te nekdo spodbudi iz tribune. Tako da, hvala vam.